Hello and welcome to Automations Academy. Are you someone who's looking to connect your existing website forms with HubSpot without having to embed the code from HubSpot back into your website? Are you also looking to start your chatbot in just one go? Are you also looking to find out who visited your website? How can you do lead scoring? And also, how can you really figure out how are your Google ads and other online marketing ads performing? Well, you can do all of these and more with just one step by connecting HubSpot Tracking Code with your website. Let's see how to do it. So let's go ahead and see how it looks like. So you can go to your settings and you can go to on the left side you'll have to scroll down and you'll have to go to the tracking code, which you will find under account setup, and you will see this is closed usually. All that you have to do is just copy this code and just put it on your website footer. If you have a custom website, you will have to put this code in your website footer. Otherwise, there are plugins available if you're using WordPress or even Magento or Shopify. It all connects using a plugin. However, custom website, use the code and you are all set to go. What all you will see, let me show you. So if I go to my HubSpot and website integration, you can see on the left side the connection has actually given me option about looking at my contacts, forms, live chats, emails, and also you can look at all the settings here. How do you get this plugin when you are in WordPress? Go to plugins, you go to add new, pretty straightforward. Just put in HubSpot here and install the plugin, which is by the HubSpot guys themselves. So you see this one, simply implement it. When you activate it, it simply asks you to log into your account and you're all set. Now, one important point I wanted to discuss with you was about if you do not want to embed forms from HubSpot inside your website, and if you want all the forms which are existing on your website to automatically send data from your website to HubSpot CRM, then this is what you have to do, because all such forms are basically called as non-HubSpot forms. So this is where you have to go. You have to go to tools in the setting of HubSpot. You have this form section, and then just under the non-HubSpot forms, you simply will have to switch these on. Now, what will happen basically, you will be able to see all the form submissions on your website. Doesn't matter if it's a custom website or doesn't matter whatever CMS it's made of. All the data will automatically get inside HubSpot if this thing is activated. If you go back to your HubSpot forms, you will also be able to see the forms that are HubSpot forms and the word which are regular forms and stuff. So this is where you can see, and when you connect, all these forms that you see here are actually all coming from HubSpot. As you can see, coming from WordPress. If you see one, right? So this is what is about the forms. We can also see this important thing is about chat flow. Now, chatbot is very simple. When you go and create a chatbot, once you have HubSpot plugin on your website, all that you have to do is simply activate it. Right? The moment you activate it, it will all start flowing inside. And all the data that you capture from the website will also come back into the HubSpot CRM. So what will happen here is that somebody is chatting on the website, you'll be able to see notifications in HubSpot, right? And if somebody replying on the HubSpot can also see the information on the chatbot. This is the way it works, right? So these two things are very important, and it can simply be achieved by putting just simple code there. Apart from this, you will be able to see lots of information about your customers and how the customers are interacting with your website. You can go to an individual data, see that who has visited, which all pages that they have visited, how many times they have seen a particular page, how much time they have spent, how many minutes, how many seconds they have spent on that page, what was the last page they had seen when they had submitted the form, and things like that. Everything, all the data is captured inside HubSpot CRM with just one simple code. So it happens a lot with me. The clients basically get quite frustrated when they do not have the form data being submitted inside HubSpot and many other use cases. This one step can actually help you a lot. Feel free to write a comment in the video and I can help you in case you are getting stuck. Thank you very much.